Hey friends, a lot of users have reported this weird issue that a rectangular box appears above the taskbar, especially when you're trying to hover over the icons or even when icons are not present. Now I'll tell you what, let us say I hover over this icon, there will be a box here and this will be the preview. But let us suppose that at times it just appears as an almost transparent box with a little visible side. So what do we do in this case? Right click on the start but right click on the taskbar and select settings, disable task view. Okay, second thing, you can restart the file explorer process. So search for task manager and go to the task manager and wait for the list to load. To find Windows Explorer, right click on it and then select restart. And finally, update the graphics card driver. So search for device manager and open the device manager. And then expand the list for display adapters, right click and then update drivers. Update drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.